What if, in an instant, Earth packed on the mass of Jupiter? Your body, once weighing a comfortable 80 kilograms, would suddenly feel the crushing weight of 200 kilograms. Just trying to stand up would be impossible. But that personal, bone-breaking nightmare is just the first second in the life of a new terrifying player in the solar system. The planet we call home would be transformed into a hostile giant, and the familiar, clockwork motion of our celestial neighbors would spiral into chaos. So, how would this super-Earth reshape itself? And what would its new gravitational reign of terror mean for the rest of the solar system? The moment our planet swells to Jupiter's mass, life as we know it is over. Instantly, the pull of gravity would intensify by about 2.5 times. If you weigh 180 pounds, you'd now be pinned to the ground by what feels like 450 pounds. Your skeleton, perfectly evolved for Earth's familiar 1G environment, would struggle to support this impossible new load. Your heart, a muscle built for our world, would be completely unable to pump blood up to your brain against such an immense downward pull. And it's not just you. Every single structure humanity has ever built, skyscrapers, bridges, your own home, all engineered for our specific gravity, would collapse into dust. The very ground beneath us would betray us. The incredible increase in mass would dramatically intensify the pressure on Earth's core, causing the crust to buckle and break. This would trigger earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude and volcanic eruptions on a global scale. The surface of our world would be torn apart and remade by continent-sized lava flows. This wouldn't be Earth anymore. It would be a hellscape forged in the fires of its own immense gravity. As our world groans under its new mass, it would begin a profound and violent transformation. Its powerful new gravity would start yanking on everything nearby, and its first victim would be our own moon. The delicate gravitational dance that has kept the moon in a stable orbit for billions of years would be over. What happens next is a cosmic coin toss. The moon could be flung into a new, erratic orbit, or even ejected from Earth's grasp entirely. But in the most spectacular possibility, it would be pulled mercilessly closer until it crossed the Roche limit, the point of no return. Here, Earth's immense tidal forces would shred the moon, tearing it apart into trillions of pieces. Our constant companion in the night sky would be gone, replaced by a breathtaking ring system, a shimmering halo of rock and dust encircling a planetary monster. But a Jupiter-mass planet wouldn't stay rocky for long. Its gravity would now be strong enough to cling to the lightest elements in the universe, hydrogen and helium. It would start gathering these gases from any passing comets in the interstellar medium. However, it's too little, too late to become a true gas giant. It missed its chance when the dense gas cloud of the early solar system dissipated billions of years ago. Still, over millennia, it would build a new, crushingly dense atmosphere. As the pressure mounted deep within the planet, it would become so intense that hydrogen could be compressed from a gas into a liquid and then into a solid, forming a layer of exotic liquid metallic hydrogen deep beneath the surface, a feature found inside Jupiter today. The Earth we knew, the blue marble of rock and water, would be gone forever. With its transformation underway, our Jupiter-mass Earth would become the new king of the inner solar system, a gravitational rival to Jupiter itself. This new status would have immediate and catastrophic consequences for our planetary neighbors. The finely tuned orbits of Venus and Mars would be the first to feel the effects. Nudged and pulled by this powerful new gravity, their stable paths could warp into dangerously eccentric orbits, sending them careening through the inner solar system. Venus might be put on a collision course with us, or flung toward the Sunday Mars could be ejected from the solar system entirely, sent tumbling alone into the cold darkness of interstellar space. This cosmic chaos really makes you appreciate the delicate balance of our own world, doesn't it? If you're enjoying this journey into mind-bending what-ifs, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. We explore scenarios just like this every week, and let us know in the comments, what other cosmic hypotheticals should we explore next? This cosmic chaos really makes you appreciate the delicate balance of our own world, doesn't it? If you're enjoying this journey into mind-bending what-ifs, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. We explore scenarios just like this every week, and let us know in the comments, what other cosmic hypotheticals should we explore next? This super-Earth wouldn't be a peaceful ruler. Its gravitational bullying of Mars and Venus is just the start. Its influence would ripple outwards, stirring up the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter's gravity currently sculpts the asteroid belt, creating both stable regions and chaotic gaps. Introducing another massive body into the mix would throw that complex system into disarray. This new Earth would act like a gravitational wrecking ball, pulling asteroids from their orbits and sending a fresh wave of space rocks careening toward the inner solar system, dramatically upping the odds of a major impact. Its relationship with comets would also become a double-edged sword. For long-period comets swinging in from the distant Oort cloud, our super-Earth would act as a powerful bouncer, with its gravity capturing many of these icy visitors only to eject them from the solar system entirely. But for objects closer to home, the story is different. Recent research suggests that Jupiter isn't just a shield, it also slingshots plenty of objects towards the inner planets. Our new Earth would likely do the same. Sometimes it might act as a protector, but just as often it could become a cosmic sniper, redirecting potentially world-ending impacts right at its neighbors. The solar system would become a place of constant, unpredictable violence, orchestrated by its chaotic new king. From the instant crushing end of all life to the slow, majestic, and terrifying transformation of a world, this scenario is a journey of ultimate destruction and creation. The personal, bone-shattering horror of the first moments would give way to planetary upheaval, as our moon is potentially torn into a beautiful ring and our world's surface is consumed by a new, toxic atmosphere. This new king would then assert its dominance, turning the orderly clockwork of our solar system into a chaotic shooting gallery. It would bully its neighbors, potentially flinging them into new or of the system entirely. It would stir up the asteroid belt and play a dangerous game of cosmic billiards with comets and asteroids. Even the sun would be forced into a wobble, acknowledging the arrival of a new power. The thought experiment leaves us with a profound appreciation for the delicate balance that makes our existence possible. The Earth we know is a masterpiece of cosmic precision, just the right mass, at just the right distance from its star, in a stable and relatively quiet solar system. Change any one of those fundamentals, and our home becomes an unrecognizable, hostile giant. We are living in a kingdom that is perfectly balanced for our survival, and in the grand, violent theater of the cosmos, that is perhaps the most incredible thing of all.